we're checking out ZeroRank, a brand visibility platform that tracks how AI search tools mention your brand and tells you exactly how to show up. If you've ever wondered whether ChatGPT, Perplexity, or Google's AI overviews are actually recommending your brand and what they're saying when they do, you're not alone. Most brands have zero visibility into this, and the tools that claim to help, they're pulling from AI APIs which don't reflect what users actually see. ZeroRank scrapes real-eye chat responses, so the data you're working with is the real thing. To get started, you connect your brand and select the AI models you want to monitor. By default, every plan tracks ChatGPT, Perplexity, and AI overviews, and you can add Gemini, Grok, AI mode, or Bing Copilot from there. From there, the tracking dashboard gives you a full picture of your brand's performance, visibility percentage, sentiment score, and rank, like how often you're coming up first when someone asks for the best tool in your category. You can also drill into specific AI conversations to see exactly how each model is talking about your brand. And on the prompts view, you set up the topics and questions you want to track. ZeroRank even suggests relevant prompts to get you started, then shows you visibility, sentiment, and rank broken down by each one. The sources view lets you see every URL and domain AI is pulling from when your brand comes up, with filters to sort by content type or channel. And the gap analysis feature takes it further. It shows you sources where your competitors are getting picked up, but you're not. So you can prioritize exactly where to focus first. Once you know the gaps, the recommendations engine tells you what to do about them. Off-page recommendations surface Reddit threads, LinkedIn posts, listicles, and other channels where you can earn mentions. On-page recommendations show you top-performing article types and the specific phrases and themes that AI tends to pick up, so you know what to include in your content. And when you're ready to create, the content engine takes your target prompts and models and builds a full content brief optimized for AI visibility. Review it, request changes, and generate a final draft, complete with an AI content score, word count, and structure breakdown. If you want to stop guessing whether AI search is working for your brand and start doing something about it, ZeroRank gives you the data, the direction, and the tools to make it happen. Click buy now to start tracking and growing your brand's AI search visibility with ZeroRank today.